Hello barbecue enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the GRILLART barbecue grill utensil tool set, a 19-piece stainless steel barbecue grilling accessory kit that's perfect for outdoor cooking. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a successful grilling session: a tong, fork, knife, grill brush, basting brush, 4 skewers, 8 corn holders, a replaceable grill brush head, and a versatile spatula with 4 functions, including a built-in bottle opener and tenderizer blades. Crafted from professional-grade stainless steel, these utensils are designed to withstand heat and resist rust, ensuring durability and longevity, unlike those made from wood or inferior metals. The user-friendly design features reinforced barbecue tongs for easy food handling, elongated handles to keep your hands safe from the flames, and convenient hanging rings for off-season storage. Plus, the lightweight aluminum storage case makes it easy to transport and store your tools securely, so you're always ready for a cookout. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can try this grill tool set risk-free, and if it's not for you, the company promises to make it right. So why not click that Add to Cart button and consider grabbing one for yourself and another for your best grilling buddy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.